Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can humanize AI content. So for example, I can go here and write a paragraph about Enable Website Design, that's web design company. So here I can get some content, and after that now here I can go and search for humanize AI content. Now scroll down, here you can see you can get different platforms. So first website you can see writehuman.ai, undetectable.ai. Then scroll down. So these are different tools that you can easily use. And now let me use this one, stealthwriter.ai. Here you can go and check the pricing. So you can add 300 words per request. Now let me copy, and after that click here to subscribe their free package. You can also create account with your Google. So let me select email, then click here continue button. And now simply add the text. Then after that click here humanize. So a sentence that contains AI content, just you can click here to replace all of the AI sentences. So guys, now here you can see content is 100% unique. So now I can copy this content and let me go AI content detector. Then here you can see copyleaks.com. I can go here. Now click here scan button. Here you can see no AI content found. In this way you can easily humanize your AI content. Thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel.